We're still a few days out, both on we talked about our funnel last week, about our whole questionnaire, full report analysis that's free for anyone to get a better understanding of where they are from a health perspective, with some recommendations from Dr. Ryan on what they could do to improve each of those areas, whether it's heart health, gut health, brain health, digestive health, muscle growth, all of that stuff, weight loss. Each one has its own category, has its own recommendations. And if they want to participate, if they want to order those products, become a member and order the products, they can do that all through that questionnaire, or it just gives them an idea of where they are and what they need, whether they buy LiveGood products or not. So it's very non pushy. What's the word I'm looking for? Not aggressive, but very helpful, very powerful, very valuable. And so that's still, we wanted to launch it today. It's possible we turn it on later today, but it's probably going to be Monday or Tuesday. Just cleaning up some stuff, mainly the follow-up emails. The system is done. Again, just working on those follow-up emails, because we want to drip on those people and say, hey, you know what? You took this report,